Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir, not too bad, down 5 cents, minus 0.48%. Closed at 1043. Post-market, we are down another 16 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have this red candle right here. So we are pretty much flatlining. So this is a sideways day. Nothing very interesting to see. This is the second day in a row where we tried to break 1103. So we tried to break it. We broke it during the day, but then came back down. Let's see how this played out. So 930 right here. So we opened right here, went as high as 1126 approximately. Then we came back down. Then it's pretty much going sideways. On the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. So all of the indicators are super low. Stochastic at 3. We need stochastic at 60 to tell us that the move up is really a move up. And we don't really have a move up here anyway. MACD crossed over bearish. RSI, we want it at over 50, and the MI is also bearish. So what else can I say? Like pretty much all other stocks, Palantir is dropping. Palantir is getting close to its channel support. So that might be helping it at some point. The volume is still pretty high, and the stock seems to be stabilizing a little bit. So maybe we have some people with deep pockets accumulating that stock. So maybe that's the little light at the end of the tunnel, and maybe it's not a train. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. It's only $5 a month. It helps me. It makes me feel good, and you get some little perks at the same time. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.